Good morning, students. Today we will cover our chapter, the Browning version. First, understand what's the meaning of the title, why the word Browning version is used here. Actually, this is an extract of the Greek tragedy that is Agamemnon by Robert Browning. So, in the actual sense, the name of the play is Agamemnon by Robert Browning. So, on the name of the author, the Browning version is used here because this chapter, the Browning version, is the version of original one, that is the Agamemnon. So the heading is the Browning version on the name of the author, Robert Browning. Okay. So before understand or before discussing the theme of the chapter and the story of the chapter, it's important to understand the characters first. So let's see the characters. The first one is the Tableau. Tableau is a student. His age is of 16 and he is openly critical of his teacher, Mr. Harris. Now, what are the reasons behind his criticism? That we will see in our story. That what are the things, what are the reasons that he is so openly critical of Mr. Harris. Okay. Another character is Frank Hunter. He is a young science teacher who is quite easy to approach and he encourages Tableau indirectly to speak ill of his teacher, Mr. Harris. Okay, so this is another teacher in the school. Tableau is a student. Frank Hunter is a science teacher in the school who encourages Tableau indirectly to speak ill of his teacher, Mr. Harris. Now, what are the circumstances that will lead to this, that a teacher encourages a student to speak ill, that we will see in our chapter, that what are the circumstances made during our story. Another is Crocker Harris. He is a history teacher at the school and he is a very strict teacher, does not violate any rule of the school. And he does not tell the results also before the official announcement. And that thing is not liked by the student, and that's why Tableau also doesn't like his teacher. Doesn't like Mr. Harris because he is not going to announce the results before the official announcement. Okay, so these are the three main characters in our story. Now we will focus on the theme of the chapter and we will also discuss the story of the chapter. Let's discuss the theme of the chapter now. The theme of the chapter is that one should be practical, and if one is good, then one should be flexible also. The writer wants to say that practicality and flexibility are the necessary qualities of a good person. If a person is good at his teaching or at his any profession, then it's important, it's essential for him to be practical and flexible also, because according to the writer, too much rigidity is useless. Okay, so in this chapter, as I told you earlier also, that Mr. Harris is somewhat of rigid nature. So here writer wants to suggest from his character that rigidity is not a good thing in your profession. So it's good if we are practical and flexible with our dedication. Dedication is a good thing, but with the dedication a person should be practical and flexible. So this is the basic theme of the chapter. So let's now understand our story. So our chapter starts with the Tableau's meeting with Frank. Our chapter starts with the Tableau's meeting with the Frank. Tableau, as you know, that he is a boy of 16 and he comes to school for his extra homework on the call of Mr. Harris, where he met with Mr. Frank. And Tableau expresses his desire to join science stream because Mr. Frank is a science teacher. So, where Mr. Frank tell him that yes, it's important for you to join science stream, but before that you have to clear you have to promote in the next class or the science stream. And for the promotion, it's important for you to know about your result. Then Taplow tells him that he doesn't know about his result because Mr. Harris does not announce the result before the official announcement. Okay. Then next is Frank's comment. Frank admits that he already tells his student about the result of the science, and then Taplow start criticizing Mr. Proctor Harris because he never tells his result to the student, and he is very dedicated to his rules, regulations, very dedicated to his work also. So Taplow openly start criticize Mr. Harris before the Frank, and Frank also encourages him to speak more and more about his teacher. Okay. Then we have Taplow's opinion about Mr. Harris. So Taplow called Mr. Harris as inhuman, and although he also regrets while he's saying so much of these bad things, he also regrets in his heart. He says all these things half-heartedly, but because he is a boy of 16 who is a teenager, so he starts criticizing Mr. Harris in front of Frank, but Mr. Frank encourages him to tell more and more about him, and also he says that Taplow says that Mr. Harris is a sadist. Okay, he used this type of word that he is a sadist, he is inhuman. Okay, so this type of words are used by Taplow for Mr. Harris. Then Frank's jealous behavior. Now let's see that why Frank feels jealousy. Actually, Taplow admits that in spite of the strict behavior of Mr. Harris, he liked Mr. Harris for his dedication, for his work. This thing actually make Frank jealous. Okay. So he tells him that he adds that his teacher is essentially good. Mr. Harris is very good teacher, and these things does not like by the Frank. Then Millie Crocker's arrival. Millie Crocker is actually the wife of Mr. Harris. So when Millie Crocker, the wife of Mr. Harris, appears all of a sudden, and then Taplow feels that she might have overheard all the conversation of Frank and Mr. Harris. Okay, so he becomes conscious while he see the Millie Crocker there, but Millie Crocker doesn't listen anything, does not listen any conversation between both of them, and she asked Taplow to go to the chemist shop. Okay, so this chapter is basically about the student feeling toward his teacher, who is very strict, but in his heart he knows that he is strict only for his students. He is strict only for the goodness of his students. And in the end of the chapter, we also learned that Taplow uses this type of words for his teacher, but he uses these words only half-heartedly. Actually, he likes his teacher, and this is the complete story of the chapter. I will provide you the complete word-to-word explanation of this chapter in our next video. Thank you.